Good morning and welcome to the channel. So I've got a lady, let's call her Miss Charlotte. She's torn between two campers, the Cherokee Grey Wolf 20 RDSE and the 21 AB. So I thought I'd make her a quick video here, and maybe you'd like it too, on the difference between the two. So this is the 21 AB. It is a 2027. This is the front storage. You've got your solar controller there and a little shelf for your Starlink, and drilled a nice hole for you. Well, we got a lot of rain last night here. And coming on down the side on the 21 AB, we've got a little outdoor kitchen with fridge, water, and the ice maker. We've got outdoor speakers here, your awning, spare tire storage rack. Now on the 20 RDSE, there isn't the outdoor refrigerator, and this is the rear of it. So this is the 20 RDSE and 21 AB. Another difference is you have the slide on the 21 AB. Come on inside on the 21 AB. Got a Camp King bed. You've got your offset storage there with your wardrobe on the left. If you look back in there, you've actually got a cubby with USBs. Right here, this opens up for storage. Coming around looking at the front, you got your sofa. So this one doesn't have a dinette. You've got storage there, storage above your little kitchenette, hidden storage here with your little fireplace. I really like this 2027, they've redesigned, gone with a little bit lighter furniture. They're pretty comfy. And here is the rear restroom. Little tub. You got your skylight up there, so if anybody's tall. And you also got spot for towels and storage in here. That's really big storage. Didn't realize that was so big. A lot of these bathrooms don't have a ton of storage. And you got your tankless hot water heater controller there as well. As you're taking a shower with the tankless in these RVs, you don't mix the hot and cold like you do in a normal shower. You just turn the hot on, then use that controller to adjust your temperature. Check out these little cubbies here behind the couch. Lots of storage in this 21 AB. If I can control this camera, you got your USBs there. All right, real quick, let's take a look at the 20 RDSE. All right, so as we go inside, this one doesn't have a slide. Bedroom is similar to the 21 AB with the same storage options. And then looking up front, you can see it's quite a bit smaller. There's no couch. There is the dinette, which the 21 AB doesn't have, and it's a big dinette too. I think the 21 AB has a good amount more storage, and that slide really makes a difference. Let's check out the bathroom here real quick. Not as much storage as the 21 AB in the bathroom either, but it's still, you've got under the sink and you've got the medicine cabinet. All right, Miss Charlotte, I hope this helped you out and make your decision. And I'm Billy with Johnston RV Center. You know where to find the RV Daddy.